Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS applied visual design tutorial on freeCodeCamp. We're going to learn about how to just align the text for this example. So there's different ways we can change the text. As we can see here, we can look at the HTML. We have a H4 tag with Google and a P tag with a paragraph of how and why, who founded Google. So there's different properties and values that we can change it. Text align will be the property. And then these are different values such as justify. And justify is kind of weird. I think this explanation is kind of weird, but think of it having these lines to be equal length and left to right. So they kind of stretch it a little bit to make that happen. And then we can align it in center, align it right, and then align it left. So for this exercise, we want to change the H4 tag to the center. So H4 is Google here. So we look at the style. They already written out the H4 for us. So we can change it to the center. So we just copy the syntax and we're going to see the Google change here. Now we see the center. And now we also have to justify the paragraph tag. So the paragraph here, we can see is here, which is this. And we're going to center that. And we have the P tag here. So we're going to text align justify, copy this and paste it. And this is going to be, it's going to kind of stretch it out. So the left and right will be equal. And there you go. And that should be it for this one. Thank you.